If you're at Costco looking at the air purifiers, there's only a couple to choose from, and this Winix air purifier is a good choice. I'm going to show you how to set it up, get it going, and I'm going to show you all the features and conveniences. I'll also put a link in the description below for a very similar one sold on Amazon. So let's get started. So once you get your air purifier out of the box, you're going to find your user manual and you're going to find extra carbon filters. Your unit up and running, there's going to be a couple taped areas where you're going to have to remove the tape. You're going to have to pull the filters out, take the packaging off the filters, put the filters back in. Install the filters in the right order. It's going to be the HEPA filter first. There's going to be an arrow on the top. You want the arrow to point towards the machine. This one's just going to fit a little bit loose in place. You'll have to maybe hold it so it doesn't fall back out. Next, you're going to install the carbon filter. This is going to fit just a little more snug. And now this fine mesh screen, it's basically just a pre-filter. So this one you're going to install at the bottom first, rotate it up, and it's going to snap into place. Of course, it's going to depend on how clean your house is, whether you have a smoker, whether you have pets. With these charcoal filters, you can replace these about every 3 to 4 months. And then it does come with an extra HEPA filter. And this you can change about once a year. You need to put the front panel back on, and it's going to kind of hinge up. So you're going to install the bottom first. You're just going to rotate it up. And there's 2 tabs here at the top. Just push straight in and it will snap in place. Now looking at the top of the air purifier, this right here is your smart sensor. You have your power button right here. This is your 4 cleaning speed button plus plasma wave. Up here you have your auto mode. This is your air quality indicator. It can be red, yellow, or blue. Right here you have your sleep mode indicator. This right here is your check filter indicator. So if your filters are getting clogged, this is going to light up. This right here is your filter reset. So once you clean your filters or put new filters in, you're going to have to stick a pin down in this hole. It's a very small hole, or you can maybe use a super sharp pencil. You're going to hold that down for 3 seconds, and that's going to reset your air filter indicator. This right here is your light sensor, and this button right here is your Wi-Fi. Connect your air purifier to a mobile device with the Winix Smart app. And I'm just going to show you here on the box. This is a really good indicator of what it's going to look like. It will give you a live dashboard for the indoor and outdoor air quality. You can control it, you can schedule it, you can turn it on and off. It's also going to show you the history, and it's going to show you your filter replacement. So this is showing it has 98% filter life. So this would mean that your filter is fairly new. I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button. And if you'll notice the indicator right there, the air quality indicator, it's going between blue, yellow, and red. That means the smart sensor is just scanning the air. It's going to take about 10 seconds and it will kind of settle in, and it's going to tell me what my air quality is right now. Red is going to be really bad, yellow is kind of a warning, and blue means your air quality is really good. As you can see, it's settled in and it is blue. So right now my air quality is good. And once you first turn it on, it's going to automatically go to auto mode. So it's going to kind of turn on and off, and it's going to ramp up its speed, bring down its speed according to your air quality. So if you just want to set it on auto, it's just going to automatically clean when it needs to. In auto mode, the smart sensor is going to take a reading of the air quality about every 4 minutes, and it's going to adjust its speed accordingly. By default, the plasma wave is always on. As you can see, there's a little light right there by the P. If you want to shut the plasma wave off, you need to hold down these two indicators for 3 seconds and it's going to shut off the plasma wave. Now when the plasma wave is on, you might hear a slight chirping or buzzing sound. It's just a sound from particles passing through the plasma wave. That's just normal. There's nothing really abnormal about that. And as long as I've been using one, I've never really heard anything. So right now I opened up the door behind me and I kind of blew in some outdoor air. And as you can see, in auto mode, it automatically ramped up the fan speed and the indicator turned red. Now the light sensor is there because if I shut off all the lights in this room, it's going to automatically go into sleep mode and it's going to dim all the lights on the unit and it's going to turn the fan speed down. Now if you want to take it out of auto mode, you just simply hit one of these arrow buttons. Now I have the fan speed set to turbo. That's all 4 indicator lights lit up. Now if that's a little too loud for you or you need to turn it back down, you can simply manually put it back down. Or if you want to put it back into auto. Now that you know all the features and the convenience of using this air purifier, you should be able to use it no problem. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.